National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Perry County and central Arkansas, eastern Conway County and central Arkansas, Faulkner County and central Arkansas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Middleton to Slovakia to near Morrilton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conway, Morrilton, Greenbrier, Worcester, Quitman, Guy, Damascus, Enola, Twin Groves, Menifee, Bethlehem, Hill Creek, Tickles Gap, Slovakia, Catholic Point, Middleton, Lanty, Malatown, Spring Hill, Toad Suck,